Hi, welcome back to our English class. So, today we are going to start with a new topic in grammar pronouns. This is the part 1, and I will just explain you what is a pronoun. Pronoun means something, a word which is used instead of noun. And what is noun? You remember what is noun? Noun means name of any person, place, animal, or thing, right? So instead of the names, if we use something else, then it is called a pronoun. Okay. Okay, this is the same thing which I was telling you. A pronoun may take place of the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay. So pronouns are the words we use in place of the naming words. यानी कि नाम के बदले में जो वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोनाउन बोलते हैं। नाउन क्या होता है? नाउन मीन्स नाम होता है। नाम किसका होता है? पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग, इन लोगों का नाम होता है। उसके बदले में अगर आप कोई वर्ड यूज करते हैं उसे कहते हैं प्रोनाउन। ओके, आई होप everybody has understood. Pronouns are the words we use in place of the naming words. And what are the naming words? Naming words means nouns. Okay, so let's see. We use he in place of the name of a man or a boy. Okay. Suppose लड़का है या man है तो हम उसके बदले में हम लोग क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? he. Suppose his name is अभी जैसे मैंने बोला his. Okay. इसका नाम है रोहित. रोहित is a good boy. Okay, Rohit is a smart boy. Okay, Rohit goes to school. अभी मैं 3 बार रोहित 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 बोला तो उससे अच्छा what I will say, Rohit is a good boy. He is smart. He goes to school. अभी रोहित ये नेम के बदले में what I used he. he. So he is what? He is a pronoun. Why pronoun? Because instead of the name Rohit, I am using he. So instead of the name, if I am using any word, it is called pronoun. So what are we using instead of Rohit? We are using he. So in case अगर वो लड़का है या मेल है, मेल यानी कि बॉय है, उसको हम लोग ही ऐसे ही यूज करेंगे। ओके, अगर लड़का है तो हम लोग ही यही यूज करेंगे। ओके, वील यूज ओनली ही इन वेन एवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बॉय। Let's look if it is a girl. What will you use? You will use she. We use she in place of the name of a girl or a woman. है ना? तो अगर गर्ल है या वुमन है तो हम लोग उसके नाम के बदले में we will be using she. What is the spelling of she? S-H-A, she. Okay, understood. Suppose this girl is there and her name is Rita. Okay, so Rita is a clever girl. She helps her mama at home. She goes to school regularly. Okay, so only one time I said Rita. Rita is a clever girl. Then instead of Rita, what I'm using? She helps her mama in the household work and she goes to school regularly. So instead of Rita, I am using she. So she is a pronoun which we use when we are addressing any females यानी girls. Okay, जब भी हम गर्ल्स के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हम उनके नाम के बदले में वी कैन यूज शी। हम लोग शी ये यूज कर सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द नेक्स्ट प्रोनाउन। वी यूज इट, it in place of the name of a thing, a bird or an animal. अगर आपको प्रोनाउन यूज करना है फॉर थिंग, कोई भी थिंग है, बर्ड है या एनिमल है, उसके बदले में, उसके नाम के बदले में अगर आपको प्रोनाउन यूज करना है तो हम लोग हमेशा क्या यूज करेंगे? इट, आई टी, इट। ओके, अगर बॉय है तो हम ही यूज करेंगे, गर्ल है तो शी यूज करेंगे, अगर थिंग, बर्ड या एनिमल है तो उसके बदले में हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? इट, आई टी, इट। सो सपोज I am putting this picture of chair, and if I don't want to say chair, I will say it. Okay, chair will be it, bird will be it, and also animal, it will be it. Okay, so let's solve this exercise. This is Mr. Ved. What will you write over here in the blank? He is a doctor, she is a doctor, or it is a doctor. ये क्या है? बॉय है कि गर्ल है? यस, बॉय है। सो क्या लिखेंगे? ही, एच ई, ही। सो ही इज अ डॉक्टर। ओके, यू आर लिसनिंग टू मी, नो? यस, आई एम वॉचिंग यू, हाँ? ओके, listen properly. Look at Rima. Now this is Rima. huh? Dash is going to school. अभी आप क्या लिखोगे? He, she कि it? Since this is a girl, we will use she, she, she. Okay, understood? Chalo, let's look at the next example. The brown bird sat on the tree. Huh? Dash has a nest on the tree. Okay, now what are we talking about? The brown bird. Okay, brown bird. तो जब bird होता है तो what should we use? He, she or it? Yes, we should use it. I-T, it. Okay, so the brown bird sat on the tree. It has a nest on the tree. Okay, now let's look at the next example. Mother is sleeping. Dash is not well. Okay, now here is the mother. Hmm? So who is it? Girl, boy, or what? What will you use? He, she, or it? Yes, since she is a girl, we will use she. S-H-E, she. So now read it again. Mother is sleeping. She is not well. Okay. Now let's look at the next example. This is my bag. Dash is very heavy. Now bag is what? A boy, a girl, a thing, a animal. What is it? Yes, it is a thing. So what will you use? He, she or it? Yes, for things we use it, it. Okay, so read this. This is my bag. It is very heavy. Very good. Now let's take a look at the next one, sixth one. Uncle Tom has a car. Dash is red. Okay, now we are talking about car. Okay, now car is what? A girl, boy, or a thing? Okay, so what will you use? It is a thing, right? So what will you use? He, she, or it? Yes, it. I-T, it. Okay. So read the sentence once more. Uncle Tom has a car. It is red. Very good, children. Okay. Let's look at the next example. Seventh one. Rafi sells fruits. Okay. Dash is selling apples. Now look at Rafi. Girl, boy, or thing? Yes, he is a boy. So what will you write? He, she, or it? Yes, we'll write he. H-E, he. Okay. Now repeat once more. Rafi sells fruits. He is selling apples. Next one. I saw a lion in the circus. Dash sat on the tall stool. Okay. So who is this? Animal. Yes. So what do we write for the animals? He, she, or it? Yes, we write it for the animals. So what we'll write here? I-T, it. Repeat again with me. I saw a lion in the circus. It sat on the tall stool. Very good. The next one. Fanny is my friend. Dash is a clever girl. Now, this is a girl. This is a girl. Okay. So, what will you write? He, she, or it? Yes, we will write she. S-H-E, she. Now, repeat after me. Fanny is my friend. She is a clever girl. Very good. Now, the squirrel ran up the tree. Dash had a bushy tail. So, what is this? Squirrel is what? A animal. Okay. So, what will you write over here? Yes, you will write it. Huh? So, it, it. The squirrel ran up the tree. It had a bushy tail. So that's all for today. And before I say bye, I want to tell you that you're going to copy all these 8 sentences in your notebook. नो नीड ऑफ ड्राइंग पिक्चर्स. ठीक है, ये सारे 8 जो सेंटेंसेस हैं, 8 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है, ये आपको आपके इंग्लिश नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड आई वांट ओनली यू स्टूडेंट्स टू राइट इट इन योर नोटबुक. नो नीड ऑफ ममा और पापा राइटिंग इन योर नोटबुक्स. ठीक है, मम्मी पापा को आपके नोटबुक में लिखने को बिल्कुल अलाउ नहीं करना है. आपको ही लिखना है. ओनली 8 sentences you will write yourself, and I'm going to keep a watch on you. Every time you put on your screen, I'm going to see you through the camera. Okay, so I'm watching you. Write it yourself. Complete your book. I want all your books to be complete. Okay, chalo, that's all. Bye bye, see you.